Machiegni kendo, riwruok miluongo ni Okoa Uchumi okwedo piny owacho kotenore kod chal mar ochumi ma pacho ka. Giwacho ni piny owacho medo kwan mar chan kod solo osuru mamalo, ka giwacho ni 4 kuom ji 10 ma jo Kenya odak e chan. Riwruogno nyiso buok margi kotenore kod atamalo mar chulo gope ma koro dok piny, ka gidwaro ni janon buge mag sirikal kod jaga bajet mondo omi arita makende mar kuonde magidakie kaachiel kod apisi magi.
Istahili heshima. How dare you, the government leaders that we employed, propose more debt and taxes while we lose most of our past revenue? 4 in every 10 Kenyans are poor, and many more will fall into poverty unless drastic action is taken to spend public resources in what matters and to spend prudently.
We wonder why bank interests are now coming down. Who really benefits from the exorbitantly high interest rates charged by our banks? Domestic borrowing through treasury bills and bonds are currently incurring high interest rates, typically above 8.94%, compared to concessional external loans, which range from 2 to 3%.
The Auditor General and the Controller of Budget must be afforded the full protection and resources necessary to execute their mandate without intimidation or prejudice. Further, Parliament should amend Section 62 to make PDMO, Public Debt Management Office, a fully autonomous office.